back to itsNatzysKitchen. Today I'm gonna be making some jelly candies. These candies are so easy and fun to make. So without further ado, let's see what ingredients we need to make these candies. We'll be needing 2/3 of a cup minus half a tablespoon of water, 3 teaspoons of gelatin, and 3/4 cup of sugar. Start by lightly greasing a heat-proof dish with some flavorless oil. Into a saucepan over medium heat, add in the water and gelatin and whisk until the gelatin is dissolved. Then bring the mixture to a boil, stirring frequently. Once it starts to boil, add in the sugar and stir until the sugar is dissolved. Then boil the mixture for 5 minutes, stirring frequently. Remove from heat and pour the hot mixture into the prepared dish. Now if you see any lumps in your mixture, make sure to use a strainer. Now this is the fun part. This is where you can add any syrups, flavorings, and food coloring. I added a few drops of rose water and a few drops of red and blue food coloring. Refrigerate the mixture for about 2 hours or until firm to the touch. After refrigerating for 2 hours, cut the jello into small squared pieces. You can also use cookie cutters to cut into any shapes you prefer. Coat the cutout pieces in some caster sugar. Caster sugar is a sugar that is ground to a consistency between granulated and powdered sugar. You can make your own caster sugar by slightly grinding some granulated sugar in a food processor or in a blender. Dry the jelly candies at room temperature for about 2 hours. And finally, refrigerate the jelly candies overnight. The ingredient measurements and the method is in the description box down below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel right here and click down here to watch more of my recipes.